Start at ICHI.org and then navigate to Launch App. It's always important to check the URLs when you're doing anything DeFi. From here, you will connect your wallet, and we have several different ways to connect. Once connected, you can search for the token you'd like to deposit. Today, we're going to choose UMA. Now select Earn to go to the vault. Let's pause here for a second. Why would you want to deposit into an ICHI Vault in the first place? Here are the user benefits. Pool positions are auto-managed, more trading fees per $1 of liquidity, resistant to impermanent loss, deeper on-chain liquidity, and users maintain control of their tokens. Vaults are non-custodial. As you can see, when you deposit, you receive LP tokens representing your share of the vault. The first step to add liquidity is we're going to need to approve the token spend. Choose how much you'd like to deposit and then click Approve. This might take a little bit of time. Now we need to deposit the tokens into the vault. So again, choose how much you'd like to deposit and add liquidity. You can always view the transaction on Etherscan to check if it went through. And that's it. You can see you deposited your UMA and you're good to go. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And until next time, stay cozy.